Hi everyone, today we are going to learn about homeostasis. Homeostasis in human. Let's look at the two pictures. In picture A is a hot day. The temperature is about 40 degrees Celsius. Mike is sweating and feeling very hot. In picture B, it is snowing. Jessica is shivering and feeling very cold. How the human body maintain homeostasis when the surrounding temperature changes? Now, let's look at this. What is meant by homeostasis? Okay, homeostasis refers to the maintenance of a stable internal environment in the body of an organism. Factors such as temperature, water, pH, and blood pressure are in a balanced and stable condition. This allows all living processes in the body function efficiently. Now, let's look at homeostatic control process. When the internal environment in our body, such as body temperature, increases, the control center in the brain will detect the change. A corrective mechanism will then take place and the temperature will decrease to its normal range. When the body temperature decreases, the control center in the brain will detect the change. A corrective mechanism will take place and temperature will increase to its normal range. Let's look at how homeostasis maintains the water content in a human body. When we drink water, the water content in the body increases. Brain will detect the change and the corrective mechanism will then take place. The brain will stimulate the secretion of a hormone so that the kidneys will increase the production of urine. More urine is produced and the water content in the body decrease back to normal. On the other hand, when we sweat, water content in the body decreases. Now, brain will detect and corrective mechanism will take place. The brain will stimulate the secretion of hormones so that the kidneys will decrease the production of urine. So the person will also feel thirsty and will drink more water. The water content in the body increases back to normal. What happened during a hot day? Our body temperature will increase. Now, brain will detect and corrective mechanism will take place. How? Blood vessels dilate, hair lies flat, increased sweating, activity of skeletal muscle and secretion of certain hormones are reduced. Now, urine is less produced. On a cold day, our body temperature decreases. Now, brain detect the changes. Corrective mechanism will take place. Blood vessels constrict, hair strength erect, decrease sweating, skeletal muscle will contract and relax actively and cause an individual to shiver to increase the body temperature. Certain hormones will be secreted to increase the rate of body metabolism. And our body temperature will increase and back to normal. The function of the skin in regulating body temperature. In a warm environment, blood vessels dilate to allow more blood flow close to the skin to increase heat loss. Hair lies flat, very little air is trapped so that heat is easily lost. Now, sweat glands produce more sweat to cool the skin when sweat is evaporated. In a cold environment, blood vessels constrict to reduce blood flow to the skin to reduce heat loss. Now, hair becomes erect and traps a thick layer of air that acts as a heat insulator. Less sweat is produced and heat is conserved. Now, let's look at homeostasis in animals. Dogs hang out their tongue to reduce their body temperature, while cat lick its fur to reduce its body temperature. Now, both fur stands erect when it is cold to trap heat. Now, how do lizards maintain homeostasis when the surrounding temperature changes? In a cold environment, lizards become less active, muscles function more slowly, metabolism rate decreases, body temperature decreases. In a warm environment, the heart beats of the lizard faster, movement become faster, metabolism rate increases, and its body temperature also increases. How do snails and bees maintain homeostasis when the surrounding temperature increases? Now let's look at them. Snails lose a lot of water through evaporation from the skin surface. Snails produce slime and move to humid places to reduce water loss by evaporation. Bees have a waxy skin layer to prevent excess loss of water by evaporation. Bees close their spiracles between two breathing movements to reduce. Thank you for watching. Now let's go to hot session.